Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man, and this is your update for the day. A turbo update today, only 7 minutes, I promise. Will Bitcoin break out today? I think it's really important to watch this short update. So guys, let's go and enjoy this little analysis from your Biti. Let's go. So let's start a quick overview for the day, what's going on with CoinMarketCap, and we can see Bitcoin is going down a little bit, 0.46% in 24 hours and 4.66% in 7 days, and Ethereum is going down more as Bitcoin. It's losing dominance. You can see Ethereum is going down with 4.4% and in 7 days, 14.5%. The most coins here, if you are watching, are in the red zone, so that's not good. If you are watching this one, we have 7,198 cryptos, and you can see the Bitcoin dominance is on 42.2%. What happened with the dominance? We saw here a big spike to the upside. I showed you guys, attention, we are in the best bear death cross zone. You can see it, and we are under the red line. The red line is a big resistance, and we need to fight back. We saw a big spike to the upside, and after this, down, a big wick down again, and now we are still growing. It is the time to trade Bitcoin. It is better for the moment to trade Bitcoin because the Bitcoin dominance is growing. And we are watching now Coins 360, a quick overview of the coins, what coins are big winners and losers. And you can see BNB is a winner, it's going up, really nice, but the most coins here are going down. Algo is green, okay, but Bitcoin is going down, and so on and so on. The 1 day time frame is telling us a strong sell on Tradingfees, the 4 hour, a neutral as the Switzerland, 2 hour buy, 1 hour buy, 30 minutes buy, 15 minutes buy. The short time frames are telling us we should buy Bitcoin. So what's going on in the 1 hour time frame? A quick overview here. This is a picture from yesterday. I showed you the inverse left shoulder, head, shoulder, double shoulder, maybe trend line to the upside. We saw a rejection after the trend line, and we are going down again. But now it's really important, guys, and that's a really big thing for the moment. What I'm watching, this golden cross, death cross, because you can see the red line and the green line, SMA 50, SMA 200, and if we will see here a next cross, we are fighting really hard for the moment. If we will see a next cross on a 1 hour time frame, it's not the important time frame for a golden cross, death cross, but if we can see it, it would be a little nice sign for a next pump. And we need to break out over the green and red line, guys. We need to see confirmed closing candles over this point. This would be maybe the next nice jump to the upside. That's not all. What we can check is here for a quick fast overview. This is a nice parallel channel to the upside, and as long as this parallel channel is holding on a 1 hour time frame, everything is okay with this little pump. Everything is okay. I stopped my trade. I told you this. I took profit with 13% for my trade, so I'm out for the moment of the trade. I'm not in a long for the moment. I'm waiting what's going on here. We have here a bad resistance line. This is this line on the 1 hour time frame. It's a red one, and we need to fight back this resistance line. We need to break out this resistance line, and I think we will see here maybe today in the next few hours. I'm really sure we will see today break out to the upside or to the downside. Be prepared. We may see a bigger move. It's really possible because you can see we are squeezing here. We are squeezing here until the end, until 11 o'clock in the evening or something like this. There's the end of this triangle, and we need a breakout. I'm sure we will see a breakout. So I am prepared for a breakout to the upside. I hope you also, or a breakout to the downside. It can go fast. Attention. And what can be checked? This is the relative strength index. And the relative strength index on the 1 hour time frame is also showing us, yes, here is a little space to the upside. And after this, we need a breakout. And we have also a line from the downside here to the upside. This is the support. If we are breaking this line to the downside, attention. If we are breaking it up, attention. So guys, watch the RSI. 4 hour time frame. If you are watching this one, you can see this part, and this is a little bit dangerous. This makes me a little bit nervous. Why? If we are zooming in a little bit, you can see we lost this support line here. It's now a resistance. It's a red one. We lost it, and we are now retesting it. The big question is, can we go back in the triangle, or are we losing it? And we will see maybe a bad dump to the downside. That's the next big question in my opinion, guys. That is the big point what we are watching for in the 4 hour time frame here. Nice parallel channel to the upside. A triangle is here for the moment. Shoulder head shoulder is here. It's dangerous. It's an inverse shoulder head shoulder, guys. Don't forget it. And you know it, on the bigger time frame, I still have here a shoulder head shoulder to the upside. If you target about $15,000, that's really deep. I know it, guys. I know we have 30,000 here as a long support and so on. But attention, attention, we have a lot of bad signs, we have some good signs, but in my opinion, for the moment, more bad signs as good signs. We need to watch this. Here is the Ichimoku Cloud. This is also really important on the 4-hour time frame. A lot of drawings here, but let me zoom in. You can see this is for the moment nice. Why? We are over the blue Ichimoku line. We had here after this candle confirmed closing candles here over the blue Ichimoku, and we are still fighting over the blue one. This is good. This is nice for the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, it's not so important because blue line and red line is here on the upside. Let's remove it. It's not so important. More important is here, if I will show you this one now. This is the Bollinger Band. We saw here a bad spike down under the Bollinger Band, and we are going up again. We can see a middle line. This is about 40,000. Next big resistance if we can go up more and more. And in the 4-hour time frame, we can see this nice colored Bollinger Band. We can see for the moment we are going sideways here a little bit. We have here different colors. Important orange, red, a yellow one. It was a good sign for maybe a next pump. No, a red again. So what do we need? We need here a turquoise or a next yellow color, or a blue or a green for a next pump zone. For the moment we are going sideways here, and this is not the best thing. We need to break out. We need to make a next bullish zone, in my opinion. That's really, really important. So I hope for a breakout for the triangle. I hope for a breakout here to the upside. And I hope we will see 40,000. And then, come on, let's pump it up to the upside. And please do not go down here, little butt coin. Guys, this is the quick update for the day. One thing, let me show you. This is King Leon. He made a really nice stuff about NFTs. He has a really nice homepage. He has a really nice Twitter account. He's making an airdrop here on Twitter. So if you would like to see more about this, I made a little video today in German, but I make a little video about this stuff here. I'm a little partner from him, and I think this is a really, really nice stuff for the future. It's in early access, but guys, look at it. I think it's really, really amazing. And maybe this would be a next game changer. Guys, bye-bye.
System activated.